Hi everyone, welcome back. This is video number 2 for the Jo. I'm your host and home tutorial teacher today, Martin Moreau, and I'm coming to you from my backyard in Victoria, BC, Canada. Hope you guys are doing well at home. I know these are some strange times with the pandemic going on, so that is why we put together these videos for you at home so that you can stay active, have some fun, and keep your Aikido training alive. If you haven't watched the first video on Jo, I want you to go back to watch video number 1. It's an introduction to the Jo. It's going to give you some of the basics of how to get one of these or a substitute, also how to bow it in, and a few basics. So what we did last time, and we can go over this quickly right now, is we did some basic spins, right? So we spun, we learned how to change hands the simple way, just switching your hands like this. Then we did a couple basic strikes. We did Choku Ski, if you'll remember. Then we did Gaeshi Ski. And then we pretty much wrapped it up there. So today we're going to move on from there and learn a few new things together. I hope you're up for it and feeling good. Again, if you haven't watched that first video, go back, watch that, make sure that you master or at least get comfortable with some of that, and then move on to video number 2. So the first thing I want to do today is I want to do a little bit more spinning and give you one more thing to learn with the spinning. We're going to go back to the basics here. Remember, whatever your thumb side is, that's the tip that you're going to focus on. So when I'm turning it, I'm thinking about the tip. And remember, as you get better at this, you want to turn from the hips, as opposed to a lot of arm movement. So more, there's going to be some arm movement, but more side to side with your hips a little bit. And then when you switch, before we were doing it by reaching in with the other hand, switching our feet, and then letting go. Now we're on the other side. So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn the butterfly switch. At least that's what I call it, the butterfly switch. And that's because when you're doing the switch, your hands are going to look to be in a bit of a butterfly type position like this. You can imagine the wings flapping. So here's how it looks. We're going to do some basic spinning here. Okay, real slow. When it comes to my stomach side, whatever side that is, so in this case here, as I turn it over, I'm going to put the other hand in, palm up, in between the webbing here. And there's going to be a brief moment where I have that butterfly pattern. And as it keeps spinning, now it's in the other hand. And I've got to quickly change my feet. So let's try it on the other side. Okay, so I'm turning, and as the tip, thumb side, goes all the way down, that's when the other hand comes in underneath. I temporarily have this butterfly look, and then I just keep spinning. So we're going to do that a few times. There's the switch. Let's try the other side. And there's the switch. So once you speed it up, it becomes a little bit more fluid and continuous. Okay, but slowing it down again, get that switch in there. Okay, so the important thing with these video series is when you get a new move or technique or lesson, stop the video, practice it a while, maybe 10 times, and then come back to the video and play to learn something new. Take as much time as you need, but at least maybe 10 times on each side of the body, then try the next thing. So let's show it one more time. Here's the switch as that tip comes over. Bring that in. Got that butterfly look. And then the original hand lets go. Now it's in the other hand. And again, there we go. And one last time. And we're done. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to do something a little bit different. In the last video, we showed Choku Ski and we showed Gaeshi Ski. Today we're going to add to that. So we're going to start with Choku Ski. And I'm going to grab my Jo from below. I'm going to draw it back. Then I'm going to ski. Then I'm going to use that flip that we learned in the first video. Remember when we made a sandwich out of our Jo? I'm going to flip it over. Now I'm going to turn to face the other side and ski that way. So flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski. So as you start to get better with that flip, right, this way, then you're going to put a little bit more body movement into it. For example, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip. If you can see my feet, you can see that they're always moving. They're not staying static. You can also do it with Gaeshi Ski and flip it, but it doesn't work as well for the back and forth. So for this one, you're just going to stick with Choku Ski this way, strike, flip and turn. We call that Tenkan 1 in our dojo. Arimi 1, Tenkan 1. Arimi 1, Tenkan 1. Arimi 1, which means sliding forward, Tenkan 1. Arimi 1. Okay, great job. How are you doing so far? Remember, stop the video, do a little practice, then come back. All right, you back with me? Did you practice? Okay, here we go. We're going to try something else now. We're going to do the same thing where we're going to do the ski. We're going to do a flip, but now I'm going to stay facing the way I'm facing, and I'm going to push it through at the top. Then I'm going to flip it again. So this is going to be just a lot of flipping. Ski, high ski, low ski, high. All right, let's do a few more together. Here we go. Ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip. You guessed it, we're going to do it on both sides, right? So here we go. Ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski, flip, ski. Make sure you stop the tape, do a few, come back. Now we're going to put it together with a little bit of turning in between. Are you ready? Here we go. Ski, flip, Tenkan ski, flip, Tenkan ski, flip. Here we go. Arimi 1, Tenkan 1, Arimi 1, Tenkan 1, Arimi 1, Tenkan 1. Now we're going to change it. Here we go. Low, flip to the other side. Ski, high ski, low ski. Flip it to the other side. Ski, flip, high ski, flip, ski, flip, Tenkan 1, ski, flip, high ski, flip, ski, flip, Tenkan 1, and repeat. So now you've got yourself a little bit of a pattern that you can play with, and you can actually practice and have some fun with that, and actually maybe even get a little bit of a sweat going or a workout going. Okay, so stop the tape, give that a little bit of a whirl, come back to the video as soon as you're ready. Okay, so now what we're going to do, something a little bit different. We're going to do ski to the front. Now we're going to do Ushiro Ski. This is where I'm going to draw this back to the front hand, then I'm going to slide back and I'm going to poke back to the ground level as if I'm trying to hit somebody in the shin or the knee, could even be the foot. Let's try again. So forward ski, draw it through, and Ushiro Ski. Again, ski, 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 ski. You ready for the other side? Let's do the other side. Here we go. Ski, 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 ski. Give that a try. Come back. We're going to add something to it now. The next thing we're going to add is a sweep in between. It's going to look like this. Forward ski, Ushiro Ski. Now I'm going to step and sweep. That sweep is intended to hit somebody in the leg area, in the front, to the front. So here we go. Let's do it again. Ski, 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 and reset. Ski, Ushiro Ski, sweep. One more time. Ski, Ushiro Ski, sweep. Let's do it on the other side. Ready? Ski, ski, sweep. Ski to the front, ski to the back, sweep. Last one. Ski, ski, sweep. So now we're going to put it together so that we've got something to keep us going, make it fun. Let's try this together. Ski to the rear, sweep. Now you're going to flip it. Now I'm on the other side. Ski, ski, sweep, flip it. Ski, Ushiro Ski, sweep, flip it. Ski, ski, sweep, flip it. Now you can have some fun with this. Once you get comfortable, you can speed it up a little bit if you want. For example, ski, ski, here, flip it, ski, ski, sweep. And it can start to look really fluid. Make sure you're moving your body back and forth. And it can become very fluid, very nice. A really good workout if you do a whole bunch of them. Remember to stop the video every now and then and try these out. Practice a few before you come back. All right. I think that's probably going to be enough for today. We'll get back to this and do some more on another day. So I appreciate you coming out and watching the video. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're having an opportunity to practice this at home. Staying safe, doing it in your backyard, somewhere where you don't have other people around but your own family members. We sure hope that you guys are well and staying safe at home, and we hope that you're enjoying this home tutorial video series. Stay tuned for more to come. If you can, make sure you like and share these videos, and by all means comment, let us know what you like, and if there's something that you want to see that you haven't seen yet, let us know. It might be on the way, it might not be, so if you let us know, we might be able to add it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. ありがとうございました。